Hello. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about our mission statement and how it doubles as our tagline. If you ever notice, we have a phrase that we always, or almost always, post right along with our logo that reads Life's Epic Endancement. And today I wanted to talk a little bit about what that means to us as a dance studio. I have this posted on our website, but I'm going to kind of read it off to you now as well and break down why we chose these series of words. So, life is an existence, a being, energy, excitement, and soul. Epic can be defined as classic, impressive, ambitious, and grand. And this pertains to the service, the quality, the goals, expectations, and it's the core of what and who we are. Elite Performance Infusion Center. For sure, our acronym is EPIC. So we wanted to make sure that that was instilled in our mission. We want our dancers to be epic. Endancement is unique to our studio and is a play on words. Most of our dancers can tell you that I like to play with words and get creative in those regards. So endancement would break down into the term enhancement or enchantment, and at the heart of that, dance. Dance being the development, enriching, and improving of oneself. And dance should attract a fascination and is charming, it's delighting, and it's meant for everyone. And those who partake in dance will oftentimes find this. So again, we wanted to kind of break this down and talk about how dance impacts us. When we opened the studio, I wanted to create a place that instilled all of these values in our dancers. I wanted a place that would bring the professional realm of dance out to this area. And we wanted to make sure that our dancers were training safely and instilling our syllabus, be it for our open dancers or for those who take the level classes. We wanted everybody to have the opportunity to find a way to take dance classes that would work for them. And so we have dancers that have all different backgrounds that do open classes as their schedule permits. Others are far more serious and invested and commit to the level program. And we want to be able to find a way that dance reaches out to you, which is going to be something that we talk about tomorrow, is how dance and especially being epic can help you and ways that you can work through all of that. And we hope that you find your way to be an epic dancer as well. So thank you